back with another one. This is Nick. We about to cook. Yo, so today we are making a southern specialty. Woo! Black-eyed peas and cornbread. Hey, stay tuned. Woo! We're gonna put the black-eyed peas in a cup of water. Just let them sit. Let them soak. So we got our beans soaking. Now it's time to chop up this onion. We're gonna chop it down. It doesn't have to be real small because it's all gonna cook down anyway. And then we're gonna get our turkey leg washed. So we wanna wash the turkey leg, and then we're gonna put everything in the pot. And let's get this thing going, InstaPot style. All right, now we're gonna rinse our beans.
They had already soaked.
They're already soaked.
So they're nice and plump now.
Yeah, it's like on the stove. Alright, let's put them in that InstaPot. What we got here? Turkey leg.
Smoked.
That thing was like a turkey leg. Smoked turkey leg. So that's going to provide us that seasoning that we're looking for. That salt and that flavoring.
Hickory smoked flavor. You don't have to cut it, but I'm just going to see if I can.
You're trying your best not to be on camera, bro. Put our onions in. Probably about a half an onion. Mix them. We're gonna put some more water in here. There it is. There's our InstaPot line. We're gonna take this to the half cup mark. Dun, 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 dun. So how many beans did you put in here? Like a half a bag? There you go.
You need to make sure they have enough water that the beans can, because the beans are going to absorb some of the water.
So similar to rice. Now you don't use like turkey broth or chicken broth. You just use straight water, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, those onions are floating. Looks good. People gonna put like carrots or something else in here to make it a little extra hard. Now let's get this thing going. Do I need the InstaPot style? You wanna make sure you take the plastic cap off. All right, so we just locked the lid in. We're gonna put it on sealed, and then we're gonna turn this on. Beans, and then, hey, just let it happen, 30 minutes. Oh, wow, all right, it's starting to steam. So when you got it venting, that means it's not gonna steam. But when you have it sealed, that's when you get that steam.
And that's because, ooh.
Man, that cornbread came out great. All right, now we're just gonna put a little butter on it. Because I like it like that. But honestly, some people put a little cinnamon in their jiffy, but today we just follow the instructions. Man, y'all did yourself. Grace and Granny, huh?
Yeah.
You got the black-eyed peas, cornbread, and the po' boys.
May I have some cornbread, please?
Oh yeah, let's get to it.
Wait, are you making a YouTube video?
Woo. Those black-eyed peas with a bomb diggity. Say to you, outdid yourself. So let's do a recap. A cup of black-eyed peas in the InstaPot, up to the half fill line. Filled it up with some water. Man, that was so good. It's time to go for a walk. So black-eyed peas and cornbread. Honestly, just follow the Jiffy Box instructions. Add some extra butter at the end, and then conclude it with some po' boys. For the po' boys, I'll make another video later. But man, was that delicious. I hope you guys enjoy yourself. Oh, don't forget the turkey leg and the black-eyed peas. And some onions. Ciao bella. Bon appetit. I wonder what we're gonna do next, y'all. Well, after this walk. Maybe we'll have a cookout. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned till next time. One life to live and we're living it. Over and out. Peace.